With confidence, you have won before you have started. Confidence comes not from always being right, but from not fearing to be wrong. Friends, in this video, I will teach you how to become a confident person by changing some of your habits. Adopt these new habits that I am about to share, and you can become a person whom people value and respect. Today, we will talk about why some people earn more respect than others, and how you can compel people to value you. The answer is very simple. People value those who are confident, dominant, powerful, and good-looking. Good-looking doesn't only refer to their face, but also to their attitude and body language. Today, we will discuss some body language techniques that will make you unstoppable. Pay attention. If you follow these points that I am about to share with you, your value among people will reach a different level. Now, you might be wondering what these points are and whether you can adopt them. The answer is yes. With a few days of practice, you will be able to apply these rules in your life. After that, you will see for yourself that your confidence and your body language have improved significantly. So, point number 1, slow down and relax, friends. Whether you are walking, sitting, or standing in a group, you should present yourself as relaxed. It will make you appear more confident and dominant. When you walk slowly, your relaxed and unhurried movement attracts people to you. Furthermore, staying relaxed even in challenging situations will make your mind work at its best, allowing you to handle those situations well. While most people become nervous, you'll remain composed. No matter how challenging the situation is, always keep yourself relaxed while walking. Avoid walking too fast, as it can make you appear nervous or scared. Walk like a confident person, maintaining a relaxed pace and keeping your shoulders wide. Males have wider shoulders due to higher testosterone levels compared to females. If you are male, ensure your shoulders are broad and there should be free movement in your shoulders as you walk. Maintaining eye contact is as important in a conversation as the content of your discussion. Whenever you chat with someone, maintain eye contact, and when you need to break it, never look down, as it can make you seem nervous. Instead, look to the side or turn your neck. The size of your audience can influence how much you should express yourself through body language. The more you use your body and hand gestures, the more intelligent and attractive you may appear. When you're in a group, try not to stand in one place but move around while you talk. This makes people listen more carefully to what you're saying. Some people might be more interested in your body language than your words. That's why you should use it effectively. A confident person notices everything but never overreacts. When you overreact to minor things, people may perceive you as unconfident and ordinary. For example, if you're with a group at a hotel and someone starts talking, but you're distracted by people from another table telling jokes, reacting to the jokes could be taken as disrespect by your group, reducing your value within the group. Therefore, never overreact to things you hear. When you speak, say your words clearly and use pauses between words. Avoid rushing, as it might cause you to say something meaningless that decreases your value. By pausing during your speech, you can create anticipation, causing people to pay keen attention to your next words. However, if you do not use body language along with your words, you won't catch anyone's attention. Your body language is just as important as your words, so use both when speaking. To summarize all the points we've covered in this video, keep movements slow and measured, maintain eye contact, avoid overreacting, and speak clearly with pauses. That is all for today's video. See you in the next one. Until then, God bless you.